Go. So this is like the 37th trying to put $1 into the vending machine.
Take it, you little freaker. Take it. Don't get me, I'm all wet.
Okay. Let's try this one.
Darn you.
Oh, what the heck? We're putting the $1 in wrong.
How can I tell the difference?
Let me try this. Okay, you gay, big retard.
Gay vendor machiner.
I took it! A-O. Yes! What if that stuck? I'd cry. Oh. It got stuck. Oh my god. We need to get out of this place. How funny is that? As soon as I said, once you get stuck, it got stuck. Let's see if this one works. Oh my god, are you kidding me? You videotape it. My turn.
Part 2.
Working.
It's like really mean. Here, look. Magic touch of Lindsay.
Yeah, they had to do it like 6 times. Oh my god. Okay, what should I have?
Watch it get stuck.
Beef jerky. We have beef jerky.
Oh yeah, we do got really big beef jerkies. The ones that I did the beef jerky dance with.
Oh. Yeah, we did have
What
one
are you
too.
getting?
I don't know. What should I get? I'm either cheeses or cheddar fries.
We'll do some racy pieces later.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some cheeses later.
What are you eating this time?
Where's the 5? There it is.
Cheddar fries. Watch it get stuck.
It's not. It's gonna get stuck. Watch it.
It didn't get stuck. Now we're going to go enjoy our food and then go swimming again. See you.